Meet Bob and Sally. Bob and Sally were searching for replacement windows, but they grew tired of getting pressured by one aggressive salesperson after the next. After browsing through some top-rated window referral sites, they discovered L.J. Neal Sons. That's when the owners, Leo and Bridget, set up a home visit. Leo and Bridget listened intently to Bob and Sally's concerns, reviewed their budget, and measured their windows. On the morning of the installation, Leo and Bridget knocked on the door and introduced Adrian, Joe, and Luca. They walked them through the job and stuck around to answer all of Bob and Sally's questions. After the installation, the guys washed and vacuumed the floors and instructed the couple on how to use their new windows and properly care for them. Thanks to the new window replacement, Bob and Sally were able to lower their energy costs, keep warm, and sleep easily, as they were no longer bothered by lawn mowers and other outside noises. For replacement windows from a company and people that your neighbors have trusted for over 65 years, contact L.J. Neal & Sons today.